What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of 1/6 times 1 plus cosine squared of 7t to the power of 3. Before I start, I'm gonna have a quick reminder. Cosine x, derivative of it is negative sine x. Cosine u, when u is the function of x, is gonna be negative u prime times sine u. And whenever we have cosine to the power of n, let's say x, derivative will be negative n times cosine n minus 1 x times sine x. And derivative of cosine to the power of n u is going to be negative n times cosine n minus 1 u times sine u times u prime. Or you can say negative n u prime cosine n minus 1 u times sine u. So if you go back in here, we have 1/6 times 1 plus cosine squared of 7t to the power of 3. So it's going to be 3 times 1/6 times 1 plus cosine squared of 7t to the power of 2 times derivative of this part, which is 1 plus cosine squared of 7t prime. So what's the derivative of this part? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cosine squared of 7t is going to be 2 times cosine to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 1, 7t, times 7, because 7 is the derivative of 7t, times negative sine 7t, which is going to be negative 14 cosine 17 sine 17. 3/6 is 1/2. 1/2 times negative 14 is going to be negative 7. 1 plus cosine squared 7t to the power of 2 times cosine 7t times sine 70. So that's gonna be the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description for extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have lots of videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, and even physics and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.